Hi everyone, my name is Rupanshu Kapoor. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Computer. That's a dual branch from MBM Engineering College. After that, I want to pursue myself into a data science industry so that I can be closely aligned with the data side. So that's why I've joined this Imarticus as an organization to upskill myself to honor my skills to the latest industry standards. And after completing my post graduation from Imarticus, I am currently working as a data engineer in a sellable technologies that's in Jaipur. When I was in my college, so I was very much fascinated about these new technologies that keep on coming, and it was a very much hype term that I heard back then. That's called machine learning. And when I get to know what is machine learning, I was very much fascinated, like how a machine that we can train to up to a certain extent, and that is going to help us in our future endeavors. So I was very much fascinated by, but I didn't know how to get started into this industry. Like I know, okay, I have to learn some certain skill regarding machine learning, but I'm not very sure about where to start and how to get into the path. So then I discovered the Imarticus. One of my relative have done the course, and she recommended me, and she said it's a very good one. And I will pretty much say the same regarding this, as I have completed my graduation from here. So my main goal to join the Marticus was just to get into the data science industry, and the Marticus has done a fabulous job in teaching me all the techniques and tools that are required to get into the industry. So once I cleared that assignment of my data science internship at Imarticus, so I was aligned with a very great mentors. I would say these are the mentors that I can rely not only in Imarticus. I can clearly bet if in future I need any help from this, so I can clearly talk to them, and I hope I continue this relationship. So in the starting, I was given a very brief introduction about the project that we are going to do and all the tech stack that's involved. And we have a very professional way of dealing with the project. So we always start with actual project starts. We started with a requirement gathering, and then we formulated how we are going, what's our approach, how we are going to solve it. And then we daily have a stand-up call where we give the status report to the mentors and all the interns that have been working there. So it's a end-to-end professional environment that helped me, and that is the current environment that I am being working into. So I just feel a very ease while working with my current employer. So that's a one great thing that I learned, apart from being the technical skills that are there for sure, because we have to do the work. But apart from those technical skills, these soft skills, like how to communicate with the other higher authorities, how to tell what issue you are stuck at, and these small little things that this internship help you. I think these remain unnoticed, but I think they played a very crucial role. And particularly talking about my mentors, I have a very great mentors. I can't thank enough Jagruti and Nikita ma'am for helping me every day. For every task that I got stuck, they are there to help me. And apart from that, we have a very great guidance of a Karthik sir. I truly honor him. I think I should want to become a person like him. He's a very well spoken. He clearly states what he want to convey, and that's the one quality I want to borrow from him, how to articulate and properly tell others what you need to convey your message. So some of the skill that I learned while working at Imarticus Data Science Consulting Clubs are I'll differentiate into two different categories. One is technical side and one is a soft skill side. So from technical side, I get to enhance my Python skills and SQL skills that I already learned in Imarticus. Apart from that, I learned a few advanced technology that are also being taught. But when you work in a project, you get to know a lot more. You get a steep curve of knowledge. So a few advanced skills that I learned there was natural language processing. Apart from that, I have also worked with a large language models such as Llama 3B and Mistral 7B, and to incorporate them into our project, I have used LangChain as well as Llama Index. So that these are the few things, and also we have made an end-to-end application using the REST API. So I also learned the REST API, how to develop our application in the Python. So these are some core technical skills that I learned. Apart from that, when it comes to the soft skill, there are also some soft skill that I learned while observing and taking the guidance of my mentors. Some of them are like I get to know how to articulate my concern to other team members. I get to know how to say like what thing I am stuck, like how to stay in an organization, what is the process to and what is the process of end-to-end project, like how they like starting from a requirement gathering to a design phase, to a development phase, to a production phase. All things, these things are covered in the internship. So I think it's a very great thing to have an internship, so that you can get a quick glance of what you are going to do in your entire life. Apart from this, there is also a daily status call that we are going to we used to have, and that's the same thing that you have to do in the organization. So I'm not I always feel very ease while doing this kind of in my current organization, because I have like 3 months around of experience of doing giving the status. And let me tell you, telling your status in a way in an efficient way is the thing you should be doing in an organization.